Hey guys, today we will discuss about how to recover hearing loss. So let's start the video. Hearing loss. It's a widespread issue, affecting millions globally. Often invisible, its impact is profound. Communication becomes a struggle. Simple pleasures, like music or birdsong, fade. The good news? Many cases are treatable, especially with early intervention. This essay explores proven methods to regain your hearing quickly. We'll delve into the causes, the latest research, and practical tips. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge. Understanding your hearing health is the first step toward protecting it. Join us as we navigate the path to reclaiming your soundscape. Hearing loss can stem from various factors. Age-related decline is common, causing gradual damage to inner ear structures. Exposure to loud noises, like concerts or machinery, can lead to noise-induced hearing loss. Certain medical conditions, such as infections or tumors, may also impact hearing. Genetics play a role, with some individuals predisposed to hearing problems. Even some medications can have ototoxic effects, harming delicate ear structures. Understanding the root cause is crucial for effective treatment. A thorough evaluation by an audiologist can pinpoint the type and extent of hearing loss. This information guides personalized treatment plans for optimal outcomes. Early detection and intervention are paramount in addressing hearing loss. Untreated hearing loss can worsen over time, leading to more significant communication difficulties. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to regain lost hearing. Prompt treatment can prevent further damage and improve outcomes. When addressed early, many individuals experience significant hearing improvement. Don't delay seeking help if you suspect hearing loss. Remember, your hearing health is precious. Timely action can make a world of difference in preserving this vital sense. Fortunately, various methods exist to restore hearing quickly. The most suitable approach depends on the type and severity of hearing loss. Medications can address underlying medical conditions or reduce inflammation. Hearing aids are often the cornerstone of treatment, amplifying sounds to improve hearing clarity. Assistive listening devices, like personal amplifiers, can supplement hearing aids in specific situations. Lifestyle modifications, such as protecting your ears from loud noises and managing stress, play a vital role in preserving hearing health. Let's explore these methods in more detail. Section 5: Medications and Therapies. A two-pronged approach. Medications can play a crucial role in restoring hearing, especially in cases where inflammation or infection is present. Corticosteroids, for instance, can reduce inner ear inflammation, improving hearing in conditions like sudden sensorineural hearing loss. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to address structural issues within the ear. For example, a procedure called a stapedectomy can improve hearing in those with otosclerosis, a condition where bone growth affects the middle ear. Alongside medical interventions, therapies like auditory training can help retrain the brain to process sounds more effectively. This involves listening to exercises designed to improve speech recognition and sound discrimination. Section 6: The Power of Sound. Hearing aids and assistive devices. Hearing aids have revolutionized hearing loss treatment. These devices amplify sounds, making them louder and clearer for the user. Modern hearing aids are discreet, technologically advanced, and customizable to individual needs. From behind-the-ear models to those that fit entirely within the ear canal, there's a hearing aid for everyone. Assistive listening devices, like personal amplifiers, can further enhance hearing in specific situations, such as watching television or attending lectures. These devices work by capturing sound from a source and transmitting it directly to the user's ears. They can be particularly helpful for individuals who struggle to hear in noisy environments. Section 7: Lifestyle modifications. Tuning in to better hearing. While medical interventions and devices are crucial, lifestyle modifications can significantly impact hearing health. Protecting your ears from loud noises is paramount. Wear earplugs at concerts, use noise-canceling headphones, and be mindful of noise levels in your surroundings. Managing stress is another essential aspect. Stress can exacerbate hearing loss and tinnitus, a ringing or buzzing in the ears. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. A healthy diet rich in antioxidants and nutrients can also benefit hearing health. Consider incorporating foods like leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish into your diet. Section 8: Case Study. Mary's Journey to Regaining Her Hearing. Let's meet Mary, a 60-year-old woman who noticed a gradual decline in her hearing. Conversations became strenuous, and she often struggled to hear her grandchildren. Initially hesitant, Mary eventually sought help from an audiologist. After a thorough evaluation, Mary was diagnosed with age-related hearing loss. The audiologist recommended hearing aids, and Mary was amazed by the difference they made. She could once again engage in conversations with ease and enjoy the sounds of her grandchildren's laughter. Mary's story highlights the transformative power of early intervention and appropriate treatment. Don't let hearing loss hold you back from living life to the fullest. Section 9 Prevention is key safeguarding your auditory health. Preventing hearing loss is always preferable to seeking treatment. By adopting healthy habits early on, you can significantly reduce your risk. Protect your ears from loud noises, manage stress levels, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular hearing checkups are crucial, especially as you age. Early detection of any issues allows for timely intervention and better outcomes. Consider scheduling a hearing test with an audiologist today. Remember, your hearing is a precious gift. By taking proactive steps to safeguard it, you can enjoy a lifetime of clear and vibrant sound. Section 10 Take charge of your hearing. Next steps. Don't let hearing loss dictate your life. If you suspect any changes in your hearing, consult an audiologist promptly. Early diagnosis and treatment are key to regaining and preserving your hearing. Remember the tips we've discussed: protect your ears from loud noises, manage stress, and prioritize a healthy lifestyle. With the right approach and support, you can reclaim your soundscape and enjoy the world of sound to the fullest. Take charge of your hearing health today. Your ears will thank you for it. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.